Alright, here we go, guys. 2010 Topps Triple Threads box break. Good luck to everybody that got teams. Alright, here we go, first pack. We got Matt Forte to $4.99, Peyton Manning to $2.99, Cedric Benson $13.50, Chris Johnson $13.50, Vince Young $13.50, and we got Thurman Thomas 2,114 yards. That's number 9 of 18. We got Pierre Garçon $4.99, Jim Brown out of 99, Kyle Orton $13.50, Tony Gonzalez $13.50, Jerome Harrison $13.50, and Jordan Shipley triple jersey auto out of 70. Okay, the Jordan Shipley is going to M.J. Strong, who had the Bengals. And the Thurman Thomas of the Bills. Bills is going to B-Mac. Alright, everybody. Thanks for purchasing teams on this break. And I'll have some more up here in a couple days. Check me out.